She wants to know if you can make it 55, and I think she's going to go for that.
Dude, just make the offer. I can't tell you how many times there's a property for sale, the asking price is way high, and you just don't make the offer. Stop doing that. I don't care how high the list price is. You gotta make the offer anyway. So here's my promise to you. If you'll just make 5 offers a day, 5 days a week, that's 25 offers a week, that's 100 in a month. If you make 100 offers in a month, you will get a deal accepted. Now we're gonna cut in a minute to a call that I did while I was teaching my mentoring students in my fast track program here in Puerto Rico. While during class, I took one of my students' deals and I actually got on the phone with the agent, made an offer on a property listed for $109,000, and I offered $45,000. They countered back and we accepted the deal at $55,000. Got it accepted at $55,000 on a $109,000 listing. Take a listen to that call. Yeah, hi, is this Jiluana?
Yes.
I'm calling about your listing. I'm an investor looking at this property. Is it still for sale?
Yes, it is.
Great. What can you tell me about it?
Well, it doesn't have any appliances in it at all.
No appliances, okay. It's vacant then?
It is vacant. Yes.
Okay.
It started out being $119,000,
Uh-huh.
and the owner discounted the price because they did not have a sale at that high.
Yeah, I saw they dropped the price to $109,900 in August.
That's correct.
Yeah.
So we've had some offers on it, and offers on it have been about 78,000.
Did you say 80,000?
No, 79.
Oh, 79,000
Yes, 79,000.
is an offer that you got.
Yes,
Was that an investor?
I think it was.
Okay.
Yes.
Was it cash though?
Now that I don't know. The owner was not interested.
So they said no to 79.
That's right.
Okay.
But having said that, the owner has not had any other offers outside of that.
How long ago was that?
That was, I want to say about 3 months ago. So it was a while ago, and I think that the owner is, at this point, closer to accepting something lower than the asking.
Yeah. Yeah, you would think they'd be starting to get anxious to sell it. Is there a reason why you haven't lowered the price?
I don't know why she has not lowered the price, to be honest with you.
So you suggested that.
I'm sorry?
You suggested to lower the price and they don't want to?
I did not suggest it, but when I was like, are you going to keep the price where it is? Because we haven't had anybody to take it, you know. So that's what I said. I didn't suggest it, but I did pose it back to her in her lap.
Yeah, gotcha. Do they have a loan on the property?
I don't think they do. I think they own it flat out.
Free and clear?
Yes, free and clear. So it's nothing that they're going to have to worry about paying off.
Gotcha. The way we work is we pay all cash, so we're really easy. There's no inspections, appraisals, no bank loans, none of that. So we're really easy to work with. Mm-hmm. But we do need to be quite a bit lower than where it's listed at.
Right, and I understand that.
Okay.
I completely understand that. So what I can say to you is you can write up an offer, and I will be more than happy to take it right to her.
Are we allowed to go through you? We're unrepresented, so you could write the offer for us?
I hadn't done that.
You could go up to 45. Tell her 45, it's cash, right? No games. We can close in 3 weeks or whatever. We can put decent earnest money down. We can, probably need a couple days inspection just to get in there.
Make a phone call, and then I will get back with you.
Okay. Think you could call me back today still?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. Let me know what they say. Sounds good.
I will.
Thanks, Jiluana. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm looking at her name and I still couldn't say it.
Yeah, the first time. So.
Hello, this is Jerry. I'm here.
I think he cares more about the
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. I did talk with the owner.
You talked to the owner?
Yes, I talked with the owner.
Okay, great.
She said 45 was way too low.
Way too low?
She wants to know if you can make it 55.
55?
Yeah, she wants to know if you can make it 55, and I think she's going to go for that.
She would go for 55.
Yeah, so I can write it up and send it over to you to sign. I just need your information.
Okay. I have like an offer sheet that's got everything you need to write the offer.
Perfect.
Name, address, all the things you're going to need. So we'll put that together and I'll text that to you right now.
Okay, that sounds good.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, thank you for working with us.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. We'll be in touch. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.